యా ట్రైనింగ్ మెయిల్స్ అప్లో లాగిన్కి వెళ్ళండి. అక్కడ లాగిన్ దగ్గరికి ట్రైనింగ్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. జస్ట్ ట్రైనింగ్. This one already you registered, right? Then go to that courses.
Just a second.
Come down. Getting started with endpoint. Come down. Over text. Yeah. Platform development ఉంది కదా, endpoint platform development fundamentals. Yeah, click
Okay.
that one. Please click that link. Oh, yeah, register here. Click that register. Yes, okay. Okay. Yeah, this is an introduction of the course. Everything is there, right? Daily
Yeah.
how to start like one by one. Introducing the course, getting started with endpoint platform. Okay. This one by one how to complete. First click open that introducing the course. Yeah. This one is introduction, how to set up your computer, and use cases also is available. Okay. Click that one, introducing the course use case, and that one just expand that. Yeah, the topic and videos. Okay, this is important. Go through that this course, fundamental course, and another one also is there. Go to that courses. You have to complete these two courses. Top training dashboard and courses, right? Yeah, please click courses. Come down. Robert, come down. Development fundamentals. Come down. Yeah, and these two also you have to register. API design with raml and data view.
Yeah.
Register. Continue as a guest. Okay, same way that one also data view also you have to register. This one come down overview, everything is there, right? API course, class registration. This one is all either how to say, this is a paid courses. Come down, paid courses. Yeah, it's nothing. No, nothing is there here. Defining data, document testing APIs, more making API, securing, sending API setup requirement. This is all are not required. Leave it. Here is nothing free, optional. Everything is a paid courses, right? Nothing is there. First, you have to complete that one. Maybe data view, I'm not sure. That one also paid course or optional.
Okay. So can I go through back here?
Yeah. Above one courses, right? Yeah, Dheeraj also joined. Okay, I will continue with class now. Okay, that one, first one you have to go through that fundamentals course.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Then remaining, I will check that one data view is a free or optional, and then I will tell you that one.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, stop sharing. I will share my screen. Please join. I will start class. Dheeraj, that one platform, right? The fundamental course, you have to register, Dheeraj.
For the fundamental course?
You have to register and go through that topic by topic. If you have any
Mhm.
clarifications, questions, please let me know. We will discuss in that.
Okay.
Okay, already I recorded also. Okay, which one, which topic? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just you have to select the topic, register. That's it. Endpoint platform fundamentals topic name is.
Okay.
Then now we'll discuss that data view. Already last class we discussed, right? What exactly data view? What exactly data view? Is like a transformer, right? One format to another format. Whenever using that one, we have to use that transformer. Correct or not?
Sir, and I have some doubts in the earlier classes also. Can I ask you when the class is done?
Yeah. In after this one, which one you have doubt? Data view or
No, in the earlier classes. I will let you
that
know
one we
when
will
the class
discuss
is done,
after
okay?
this class. We will
Yeah.
discuss. First,
Yeah.
I will finish this one.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, this is the data view. Actually, what exactly this using the data view, we have to convert the format one format to another format is helping like a third party. Is a data view, right? Then we are discussed like that. What is the object? What is the array? Also, we discussed in class last class. Okay, this is the object structure, key and value, key colon value comma, like key colon value. If you number of attributes comma, last attribute whatever may be without comma. This is a structure already we discussed. If you this one array means item 1, item 2, item 3 like that. This one array of objects. Okay, this is like a one this is also array of object. Okay, and then if your JSON object means we have to online tool, right? Validator JSON, we have to validate straight away. If your array of objects is not supported, sometime you have to how to validate means each object, one object if you validate means other objects also same structure, right? Not required to how to say validate. Okay, then after then you have to verify that data view playground. Okay, here also already we have discussed this thing, how like that JSON structure, some examples also last class we have done. Okay, now I will open that one studio directly. And then formats also is there, right? JSON and XML, CSV, and different types of test format, everything. But generally in real time using that one, actually three formats. One is Java and CSV, XML, sometimes is a test. This is a four is a very, very important. Whenever using that Java means if you're using the target system DB or Salesforce, generally we are using that Java. That time only. Why? Because Salesforce and database is expecting that object format. That's what always we are using Java object. And then XML and JSON means if your target system is another one is Pega or some other without DB related means there is based on the requirement we will use sometimes is a JSON, sometimes is XML. XML most of that SOA related stuff we will go to that XML. Okay. If your target system is SOA, then must and should that is a XML format. If your target system is Pega, then sometimes is XML, sometimes is a JSON like that. Then we have to convert and mapping based on that target system requirement. Okay, this one already we have discussed up to here. And then here data will write. Take any one example. These things. Okay. CSV, DW, DWB, flat file, Java, JSON, okay, XLS, XML, AML. This is all are different format. Generally, we are using that in real time CSV, flat file, and test. Sometimes XLS and XML must and should XML, YAML, JSON. This YAML also is not required. YAML when we'll use like whenever we have to send that target system is a property related value key and values. Then that time only we are using application YAML. That is very rare. Generally XML, JSON, and Java, flat file also. Okay, this one, this four, and form data means there is a encrypt and decrypt the data. We have to multi-part form data is there. Whenever using that uploading attachment related stuff means that time only we'll go to that multi-part form data. This one also is not required. Okay, test CSV, test plot file based on that one. I will cover that file related how to say scenarios. Okay, that time I will cover this test CSV and test plot file and this two. Form data also I will cover like whenever encrypt and decrypt. Okay. Now I will cover only this XML and Java and JSON. These three I will cover. Clear? Then I will create one project, DW demo, data view demo. Now, okay. Here three sessions, right? One is like graphics, like source and with trees. This one is source only. This is a preview. Then whenever select that preview, if you changes something means then able to see right what we are doing, mapping everything. Okay, then what I have to do, I will take one example, exactly one example. First name and last name. This one I will take better. See, now this is a tree and this is a test. I selected that test. This is a Java, right? If you Java means that is a object. Java is nothing but objects, right? Here, see first name. Okay, then convert is a name as string. Okay, why? Because this is a string type, right? This one is converted into a string, and what is the type? This one also clearly is displaying. Why? Because this is a object, this Java object, right? That's what like displaying like this way. Okay, if you age, this one age, okay, see as number, integer. Okay, then what I have to do instead of Java, I will change that JSON. See now, without object. Clear? Now, what I have to do, I will change that XML. See, XML is not working. Why? Some issue. Whenever using that XML, how to say, any XML example, something is there, right? Like root tag. Okay. After then, some attribute names like this way. This is a syntax in XML syntax. Correct? Here is not like that way. Here without root tag is there, right? What is a yellow color? If you have some issues means I told, right, we last class we discussed like that concat. Whenever concat means plus symbol, right? We whenever using that only plus single plus means some issue, right? That is a error, right? Same way here also is coming is some error. What is that? Trying to output second root last name like that means some element is missing, right? Here what I have to do, put like something student. Now is coming, right? First name, last name, age. Whenever convert like one format to other format XML, must and should root element is required. Okay, expecting that root element. Clear? Any doubts? Please response. If you're not clear, then
Yeah, clear and
yeah. Dheeraj?
Yeah, I'm following.
Okay. Then data view playground. We'll take that data view playground. We'll write some examples here. This is a MIME type. I will cover these three: XML, JSON, CSV. Okay. I will share this link also. Whenever using that mule project, right? Always here already data view versions. Last time we discussed last call. Mule 3 means that is a data view version is 1.0. Mule 4 means always 2.0. There is a based on the version will change. I will show you that one document docs. You have to click the docs. Here everything is available. See, compatible. If you mule is a 4x version, after 4x everything is a data view version is 2.0. Simply you have to blind will put that 2.0. That is no issue. For now is a stable version is a 4.4. That is a data view version is 2.4. Okay. If you use 2.0 means will come like that all for mule 4x related stuff. Okay. This is a data view related stuff, version stuff. That's what I mentioned here. If you are in a Mule 3 project, you will always is a DW 1.0 version. If you Mule 4, DW 2.0 version. That's it. Here, this is a different Mule versions. Okay, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. Okay, we'll take this first example, John Smith related example. Data types already we discussed, right? String, number, array, object, and boolean. This is a different data types. Okay, how to get that single value, index, multi-value. This is all are we'll check that one by one. Single value related already we know like payload reference, payload dot reference key name, like that we have done 3 or 4 example. Okay, index selector, I will show you that one. Range selector also multi-value. This is all are one by one we'll see that. This one is clear, right? Already we have done. This is the one payload. If you want to get that name means how to get that payload dot name. Correct? This is single value selector. Anyway, I will show once again this one. If you want to get the name means how to get that payload dot name, right? This is a single value selector. If you nested. payload dot name dot. I want to like first name and last name means this is a payload name, right? After then what is that inside first name? Okay, we have to get like this. Sometimes using square brackets also is possible, like how means syntax is not sure. Payload name, first name. Yeah, here is dot is missing. Dot. I'm not sure this mule 4 is support or not. This one I will check that out. Square bracket with square brackets. Generally, in we are doing like that, only dot. With the square brackets, I will check that out. Payload dot name dot first name. And suppose if you have array of object. I will change this one. Array of objects. Then null, right? How to get this value? This is a one object. This is another object. You have to remove this comma. Why? Because last one, right? Payload of 0. Okay. If you 0 means we'll kill, we have to get this one, right? After then, this is object. We know, right, which one we have to select based on that one, first name or last name, dot first name or last name, like that. It's coming, right? Payload of 0. This one. Same thing. This is a square brackets, it support like mule 4. But object I don't know is not supporting. But here is whenever array, this is square brackets. Okay, this is one of the feature also index based. Okay, this one is object. See, John 1 payload of 1 first name. Okay, if you have multiple object based on that index, we have to get. If you suppose here like this one is objects is around 20 objects, then how to get that one? This is a very tech, right? We have to count that 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. How to get? I want to print, suppose here first name and last name is there. Okay, I want like this. Name. Okay, John Smith, right? Now, this one is around 20 or 60 objects. Then how to print that all everything? We have to write like this. We have to write like this. like this one. How to write? This is not good, right? Okay. There is a concept is a map. I will explain that one. Using that map, we have to iterate. Okay, single logic. A map in coming class. Tomorrow class, I will explain that map object. Okay, like this. Then last class we have discussed like that variable also, right? How to variable declaration. Here variable declaration is var name, like this. We have to assign that value. Control X. Name, like this. See, Jasmine. This is a variable creation. If you want any variable means you have to create that variable, assign the value, and then you will use like this. This one also we discussed last class. Okay, clear up to here, clear? Okay, silence means it's clear. Now I will convert like that JSON to Java object here. See, first name, last name. Okay, this is a this is a one object. This is a another object. Now it's not JSON. Is a total different, right? Correct. Now I will convert like CSV. Is coming right. First name, last name. Okay, this values is coming. Okay, here I suppose without headers. I want like I will select here. Then that one is come like the attribute. Suppose this one is tooling service exception. Here is a time is there. We have to increase the time. Actually, my studio is problem. I will show you that one. Go to that window preferences. Tooling. Okay, you have to increase the time. Already I increased time, but I'm not sure why is getting that error always. Apply. If not resolved, then just Control X, Control V. That's it. This is a JSON, still is XML format. This is not required. Actually, my system is a issue. That's what I'm doing. Don't do like that. Now we'll go to the preview session. We'll see. Yeah, now is converted. Then what I have to do? Same example, I will take copy paste here. Yes. Then what I have to do? Header. Header is a true. I will change that one false. If you change the header false, this is a without header tag. First name, last name, without header tag. If you true means that is header. Now only names. Okay. Sometimes it's not required to headers. We need to pass the data. Then the time what we have to use using that header attribute. Header is a false. Clear? This is a CSV. Convert like to one format to another format. Same way here is done. Okay, here have to copy paste the header attribute. Why? Because I don't know that the header is a small or caps. That's what I have done there. Now this is the header equal to false. If header is true, with header tags. Now is a this header. First name and last name. False means is not required.